I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. May I have your attention, please? An emergency has been reported in the building. While this report is being verified, please leave the building using the exit stairways. Do not use the elevators. Use the stairways only. Do not use the elevators. Yeah, I pulled down the fire alarm. I'm free. Oh no, not again. It's Principal Allen, Mr. Daniel, and classmates.
Cash Bro, I cannot believe you pulled down the fire alarm.
That's it. You were suspended for 9,000 days.
Go home right now while Principal Allen calls your parents.
No, 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 no.
Hello, Cash Bro's parents. Your son just pulled down the fire alarm at BFBBI Animation High School, and he is suspended for 9,000 days. Can you ground him, please? Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Cash Bro, I just got a call from Principal Allen. He said that you pulled down the fire alarm at BFBBI Animation High School and you got suspended for 9,000 days. That's it. You are grounded for 567 days.
Jump upstairs to your room right now.
This has been a paid presentation from BFBBI Animation.